Okay. So did you do your homework, dear children? Yesterday what I have sent to you, do you know? Then after completion of this class, then I will send you the key for the given homework. Okay. Okay, dear children, are you able to hear my voice? Okay, good, Murari. Okay, dear children, now, so we have started the second chapter. Now, what is that chapter name, dear children? Addition. So, what is mean by addition, dear children? What is mean by addition? Yesterday, I have told you, no? So, what is mean by addition? Putting together. Putting the things together is called an addition. So here in this addition we can use the numbers no to put together. That numbers what do we call? That numbers what do we call, dear children? So the numbers which we are used to put together to add it. So that numbers okay, good Vaidehi. The numbers which we are using in an addition, that numbers what do we call? Tell me, Murari. Adding, no. For the numbers, when we want to add any 2 or 3 numbers, so that kind of numbers what do we call? I told you yesterday to note down in your notebook, no? Very good, Dikshita and Ashrita. Addends. What do we call? Addends. So when we add together, we get the answer, no? That answer what do we call in an addition? When we add any 2 numbers, we get the answer, no? That answer what do we call? Sum. S-U-M, sum. Okay, very good, superb. Okay, dear children, yesterday we have started the numbers. When how do we have to add without regrouping and with regrouping? Okay, so once wait, dear children, now. Okay, children, today we can go to the how do we have to add the 3-digit numbers by using the so how do we have to add the numbers by using 3 digits? Okay, so by using 3 digits means here, so same as usual only. However, we are doing for the addition by using of 2 digits and 3 digits. Same way, here is also we have to do the addition in the similar way only, dear children. So once we can take the example of this here, dear children. Now everyone have a look on the screen. Here one of the tabular form is there, no? So first number, what is that? 345, and the second number is 412, and third number is 711. Okay, dear children, so this is the number 11. Okay, so how do we have to add? We have actually, you know that the addition we have to start from which place? Hundreds or ones? Ones. We have to start from ones place. So when we are started from ones place, what are the digits are there here in the ones place? 5, 2 and 1. So actually 5 is there. So next, how many fingers you have to open? How many fingers you have to open? 2. When you open 2 fingers, 5 after which number it will come? 6, 7. After then, how many digits is that? What is the number is that? 1. So 7 after 8. So the answer is 8. Okay, dear children. So now first ones place has completed. Then next we have to go to the tens place. In the tens place, what are the digits are there? 4, 1, 1. Look at here on the screen, everybody. So 4 after, how many fingers you have to open? 1. 4 after, which number it will come? 5. Next, which number is that? 1. You have to open 1 finger. 5 after, which number it will come? 6. So you have to write here 6. So now next, the tens place has completed. Now next we have to go to the hundreds place. In the hundreds place, what are the digits are there, dear children? 3, 4, 7. What are the digits are there in the hundreds place? 3, 4, 7. So how many, first of all, you have to open how many fingers here? 3 after? 4. Then when you open 4 fingers, then 3 after? 4, 5, 6, 7. Then after, then which digit is that? Again next, what is the digit 4 after? 7. So you have to open how many fingers here now? 7. So actually we have 7. Then after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So here we got 2 digit number. No, in the answer, directly shall we keep here 14? So when we have to give to the next number the carry, then we have to enter. So, okay dear children, I hope that everyone have you understood. So let us, we can take this example. Take your notebook everybody, and you have to do this problem dear children now. Copy down in your notebook. What do you have to do? You have to copy down in your notebook. The first number is 311. What is that? 311. First number, what is that? 311. And the second number is 162. Now second number is 162. 311 after. Then next number is 162. Now, okay, very good, Tikshita. Now third number is 935. 935. So now you have to start doing of the problem, dear children. Now add it. Add it, dear children.
One after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, what is the answer? In the ones place we get here which answer? 8. After then?
3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
How many fingers you have to open?
6. 3 after 4.
Very good, Vaidehi.
6, 7, 8, 9. 10.
So, do it fast. Okay, everyone, have you completed? Very good, Ashrita. You have got the, so very good, superb, dear children. You have given the answers correctly to me. So, shall we go to the next problem now? One second, check. So, next, write down the second problem, everyone.
9. 10 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Write down. So next problem is, I will give you as my own, dear children. So please, everyone should have to note down in your notebook. My own problem I will give you. So write down 364, 364, 364, 206, 206, 206, 206, 134, 134. So which answer will you get? Then please you have to do this problem and send me the answer to me, dear.
4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Kitte fingers.
6.
Then you have opened how many? Okay, very good. No, once again check it here.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
4 after 6 fingers you have to open. Open and do. Very good, Dikshita. Lucky.
4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 के बाद फिर कितना नंबर है?
4, 4, 7, 10 of 5, 11, 12,
Very good, Ashrita.
14.
So now I hope that everyone have you understood. Now can you arrange it? Now second Roman first problem you have to enter in your notebook and arrange it in arrange in columns and add. So which answer will you get? We will see now.
5, 6. 6.
Huh?
6. 3.
Also number.
6.
After how many fingers you have to open?
3. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, have you entered in your notebook, dear children, please? So first number is 256 plus 472 plus. Okay, do it the second Roman first problem. Do it, dear children, please arrange in the columns and you have to add it, dear children.
5, 6. 6. 7.
Okay, dear children, you have to carry on your work. Then after coming to the class, then within 2 minutes I will be here and I will send you the answers further. So I hope that you have to enter this the second Roman on problems, dear children, and the first Roman also. Okay? Do it, dear children. Okay, dear children. Hi. Sorry for the delay because we have I got some of the work so that I can't able to continue engage the class. Okay, dear children. Now, shall we go to the next exercise? I hope that you have completed this exercise, and you have to complete this exercise. And the next exercise is practice time 4. Also, you have to complete it. So this one is also as usual only, same similar way only, but by using of this 4 digits numbers. Okay, what is that? 4 digit numbers. So similarly, however, okay, you have completed the practice time 2, everybody. Now we can go to the practice time 3, dear children. Okay. So in this now here, by using of 4 digit numbers, how do you add? How do you add the 4 digit numbers? So similarly same, however, we have done for the 2 digits and 3 digits and 4 digits. In that way only we have to continue. This one is also. So when we are adding this one here, 8 plus, first of all, we have to start the addition from ones place. Like 8 plus 1 here, what do we get? After then you have to go to the tens place, the next hundreds place. If you get to the carry, then we have to give to the other place value. Like in that way only, dear children. So now once everyone have a look, now listen carefully, dear children. So while you are arranging the numbers, you must have to be careful on that. So for example here, if they are given 2 numbers, the first number is in 4 digit and the second number is in 2 digits. Then how do you keep? You should not have to write it in the middle. Okay, first of all, when you take the number, now example I am taking this 2124 is there. No, first of all you have to give the place values to this given number. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds and thousand, and you have to write it in the ones place, 4 and tens place, the same in that way. Now we are coming to that the third number, they have given only 3 digits. So this one is also you have to give the place values to this given number like ones, tens, hundreds. So you should have to keep ones, tens and hundreds place. In the thousands place, you should not have to give any number because they did not give the 4 digit number. Only they have given 3 digit numbers only. Okay, dear children. Okay, have you understood? Then how do you have to give? In the thousands place, you should have to keep empty or else we can allot 0. Okay, dear children. So look at here on the screen. So first B problem. First number they have given 4 digits, though we are allotted. And the second number they have given only 2 digits. So 2 digits, how do you have to keep? In the ones place and the tens place. Remaining 2 places you should not have to write, because they did not give the third digit and the 4 digit. So we have to keep empty. Okay, and add it. Okay, dear children. Now everybody, have you understood how to do? So will you do this problem? First, practice time 3. First problem, do it. 7418 and second number is 431. Okay, and do the problem, dear children, now. Very good, dear children. It's the correct answer. So I hope that everyone have you understood. No? May I speak? Okay, have you understood, dear children? I'm giving the explanation as fast as no. Are you understanding or not, dear children? If you did not understand, if I am going fast, then you can have to directly can tell to me, because I will explain to you once again. Okay. Vasu, did you understand? Okay, very good. What about other children? Okay. Okay, dear children, now second problem, 1569 with 30 you have to add. So what do you get here? 1599. So you have to complete it this practice time 2 and practice time 3, dear children. Okay. So now next problem here, third Roman, everybody have a look on the screen. So first number what given? 5,000s, 600s, 2 tens and 1 ones. Sorry, okay, 2 ones. Okay, dear children, first of all, you have to allot the place values like ones, tens. So everyone take your notebook. Yashvita, Yashvita, sit properly. Take your notebook and write down. Farhan, note down in your notebook. How do you have to write? How do you have to write? Please, everybody. So first of all, you have to write in the thousands place, how many thousands they have given? You have to write 5. In the hundreds place, which digit you have to write here? 6 hundreds. And in the tens place, which digits you have to write? 2. Very good, Dikshita. And in the ones place, you have to write which digit? 2. Okay. Now when it comes to the second number, so how many thousands they have given? 2,340. 46, 2, 3, 4, 6. Like that, by placing of these given digits, and you have to add these 2 numbers. Okay, dear children, will you complete the practice time 2 and 3, dear children? Okay. Okay, thank you. Now, tomorrow we can continue the next exercise here. Practice time 4. Okay. This one we can go exercise 4. Tomorrow we can go it, dear children. So, okay, I hope that everyone have you understood. While you are arranging the numbers, it should be very careful. In the ones place, whatever the digits are there, you should have to place the digit in the ones place only. If you are in the tens place, whatever the digits are there, you have to place the tens place digits in the tens place. Okay. Okay, dear children, have you understood now? Okay, thank you, dear children, and our time is also up. So everyone should have to complete it. Practice time 2 and 3 and 4. First Roman is also you have to complete it. Remaining 2, 3, 4, 5. I will tell to you. Okay. Okay. Thank you, dear children, for attending the class.